Hi everyone. Mathematics is one of the basic school subjects.
Math can be the best of times or the worst of times.
While some people find exact sciences enlightening, others consider them to be incredibly boring.
Exhilarating journey of discovery or descent into tedium.
Once, mostly kids are so nervous about learning about maths.
And this is hard for me to hear because
many of those students are very capable.
So I had to find another way to connect my students to this math stuff.
You need to treat the children to a really fun lesson.
It's not all about is somebody standing in front of the classroom explaining mathematics.
We've come to the realization that everybody can learn mathematics.
Through a means of inquiry where they are active participants.
And it's not a question of capacity anymore, it's a question of how you deliver it.
Get the child right at the heart of the learning.
What it is all about is someone saying a very few words to get you started thinking on your own.
The student is on a discovery path. In fact,
they have to get up in front of a class, explain what they're doing. They have to not be afraid of making mistakes because we all make mistakes.
The role of an active teacher in a student-centered classroom is asking the questions that get students to say the things that you want to say. A student-centered classroom revolves around effective questioning.
struggling with a genuine question, students deepen their curiosity and their powers of observation.
That's the power of the methods.
Starting an inquiry-based classroom and the Moore method can be challenging to students and teachers alike, but both student and teacher can greatly benefit from the experience.
When I started teaching, I thought a good teacher was someone who could explain something in a way everybody could understand.
I want the children to learn without knowing that they're actually learning.
From that idea to the idea that I think being a good teacher is helping somebody else explain something in a way that they can be understood.
Lets their students play with math gives them the gift of ownership.
To listen to children actually say, this is what I was thinking when I solved this problem, and here's why I thought that, and for them to learn how to listen to each other, it goes beyond math.
We create rich opportunities.
They apply their knowledge and practice and consolidate skills. Problem solving is really important in maths in terms of encouraging children to start to explain, to generalize, to reason, to justify.
And when students play an active role in figuring things out,
through questioning and through real activities,
they want to talk about it. It sparks mathematical talk.
Interested in maths, they're thinking about maths, they're talking about maths, they're going to improve their mathematics.
And it does really benefit the children because it's the thinking about thinking.
For them to connect their own dots in their own heads about how math works.
If a child is encouraged to explain their thinking, then actually they start to internalize it and really get to grips with the understanding.
We can't afford to misuse math to create passive rule followers. Math has the potential to be our greatest asset in teaching the next generation to meet the future with courage, curiosity, and creativity.
If you can problem solve in life, you can do anything you want.